Now we will see the concept of marginal costing. Marginal costing is a technique where only variable costs are considered while compute the cost of a product. Variable cost is also known as marginal cost. Any change in the variable cost, it will impact the number of units to be produced first, then output next, and finally it will have the impact upon the profit. Now we will see marginal costing equation. Sales minus variable cost gives us contribution. Contribution minus fixed cost gives us profit. And there are so many equations can be drawn from the marginal costing equation. That is, sales minus variable cost, we will get contribution, and contribution minus fixed cost, we will get profit, and sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost, we will get profit. Then profit plus variable cost plus fixed cost, we will get sales. These are the different equations again which can be drawn from the marginal costing equation. Now we will see the sum now. Here fixed cost is given 5 lakhs, variable cost is given rupees 10 per unit, selling price is rupees 15 per unit, output level is 1,50,000. So let us calculate sales now. So sales are given, the output is 1,50,000 and selling price per unit is given 15 rupees. So it is going to be 22,50,000. From this we need to deduct the variable cost. So variable cost will be calculated number of units produced into cost per unit. Variable cost is given rupees 10 here. So this will become 15 lakhs. And the amount will be considered as the contribution. The leftover amount will be considered as the contribution. So this is going to be 7,50,000. From this we need to deduct the fixed cost. So which is given in the sum 5 lakhs. So we will deduct the 5 lakhs from 7,50,000. We will get 2,50,000, which is considered as profit. And this is how we will calculate profit under marginal costing.